Hi and welcome to Stoke Audi. Today we've got this fantastic Audi S5 Sportback for sale. The car is finished in black and it comes with black styling pack as well. It looks absolutely fabulous and it's only done 12,000 miles. The car comes with front and rear parking sensors, LED daytime running lights, privacy glass, lovely silver chrome finish on the mirrors, and you do get fabulous 19-inch alloy wheels as well. It is 3-litre petrol engine that comes with 350 brake horsepower. It is lovely to drive, it sounds fantastic, and it's on a 16 plate as well, so very low mileage for what the car is. The car comes a part of our Audi approved used program, so it will go through the workshop and we will check and make sure everything is as you would expect from an Audi, and you will also get a 12 months warranty on the car as well. As you can see inside, the car is finished in fine Nappa leather upholstery. It comes with flat bottom steering wheel, automatic lights, wipers, cruise control, dual zone climate control with heated seats and DAB radio as well. If you would like to have any more information on the car, please give us a call on 01782 590 400 and ask for the used car team. Thank you.